So, your lesson kanina sa inyong school is about sentences and phrases. So, we're going to review about the sentences and phrases. Okay, what is sentences?
Is a group of words.
Ulitin mo, sentences.
Sentences is a group of words that has a complete thought. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a proper pronunciation mark.
Punctuation mark. Punctuation.
Pronunciation.
Okay, what are the examples of sentences? What are the example of sentences? Read number 1.
Mary is a good girl.
Oh, why is it that it is the example of sentence?
Because it starts with capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark.
With a proper punctuation mark. Mary is the name of the person. That's why we use capital letter. And Mary is a good girl. It ends with a proper punctuation mark, which is period. How about number 2?
She loves to eat ice cream.
Oh, why is it that it belongs to sentences?
Because it starts with a
Capital letter.
And ends with a proper punctuation mark.
Oh, what is the punctuation mark we used?
Capital.
What is the punctuation mark we used? Is it is question mark or period?
Period.
Okay. So she begins with a capital letter. Okay, how about number 3?
She plays with her doll.
Okay, so why is it that is one of the example of sentences?
It starts capital letter and ends with a proper pronunciation.
Yes. So number 3, she plays with her doll. It belongs to sentences because she begins with a capital letter and it ends with a period. Okay? So, mamaya meron tayong activity, okay?
Okay.
Okay, next we have the phrase. So, what is phrase?
It's a group of words without complete thought. It starts with a small letter and doesn't have a
Punctuation.
punctuation.
Kanina yung sentence is a complete group of words, di ba? So, ang phrase naman is a group of words without a complete thought. So, what are the examples of phrases? Please read number 1.
It's under the tree.
Under the tree. May nakita ka bang punctuation mark?
No.
Wala. How about number 2?
On the chair.
And number 3?
Behind the door.
4?
Narrow picture.
Number 5?
The big map.
Okay, so that is the example of phrases. So, phrases is a group of words without. Okay, so we have some activity. Okay, we have activity number 1. Can you read the instruction in activity number 1? Activity number 1. Can you read the sentence? The instruction.
Mother cooks spaghetti.
Instruction first.
Write as if is a sentence. Write P if it is a phrase.
Okay, read number 1. What is number 1?
Mother cooks spaghetti.
Okay, mother cooks spaghetti. Is it a sentence or a phrase?
Sentence.
Why sentence?
Because it starts with a capital letter.
And
Ends with a notation mark.
okay, so what is your answer? Can you write your answer? Okay, next, how about number 2?
On the bed.
Okay, what is your answer for number
P.
Why is P?
Because it's not starts with a capital letter.
May exam
Okay, sige. Okay, how about number 3?
Bim Bim is my pet cat.
What is your answer?
S.
Why S?
Because it starts with a capital letter.
And
Ends with a ends with a notation mark.
Okay, what is your answer?
S.
Okay, ayan na. Activity number 2. Please read first the instruction. Did you understand? Okay.
Arrange the jumbled words into a meaningful sentence.
Okay, tingnan mo yung number 1. Read first the number 1.
The is brightly sun shining.
Okay. How will you arrange that into a meaningful sentence?
The sun is shining brightly.
Okay. The is brightly sun shining. Ang sagot mo is, the sun is shining brightly. Is that correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct. Okay. How about number 2?
Under the flowers,
No. But you have to read first.
under the tree are the flowers.
Okay. So, how will you change that jumbled word into a meaningful sentences?
The flowers are under the tree.
Okay, the flowers are under the tree is correct. Okay, very good. Go.
Write P if it is a phrase. Write S if it is a sentence.
What is number 1?
Father works in a factory.
Number 2.
Behind the door.
Number 3.
On the bed.
Number 4.
She loves to eat cake.
Okay, write your answer here. Write number 1. What is your answer? Number 2. Number 3. How about number 4? Okay, did you understand what is sentence and what is phrase?
Yes.
Okay. Don't forget that in school, okay?
Okay.
Spelling. Spelling time. Number 1, write the word sister. Ayusin mo yung sulat mo. Puro small lang. Sister. Number 2, family. Number 3, write the word farmer. Number 4, write the word school. Next, number 5, write the word father. Number 6, write the word table. Number 7, write the word flower. Flower. Okay. Okay, so ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay pangalan. Ano nga ba ang pangalan?
Ang pangalan ang mga salitang pantawag sa mga tao, bagay, hayop o pangyayari ay tinatawag na pangalan.
Okay, so sabi dyan, ang mga salitang pantawag daw sa tao. So, ang halimbawa sa tao ay Dr. Jose Rizal. So, ang halimbawa naman sa bagay, so meron tayong watawat. Yung puok naman, pwedeng parke, pwedeng kusina, pwedeng sari-sari store, pwedeng hospital. So, ang hayop, syempre lahat ng mga hayop na meron tayo sa ating paligid, gagaya ng aso, pusa, kabayo, at saka kalabaw. O kaya naman, pangyayari. So, ano nga ba yung halimbawa ng mga pangyayari?
Bagong taon.
Bagong taon. Ano pa?
Araw ng puso.
Araw ng mga puso. So, kasama din dyan yung kaarawan, binyag, kasalan, at saka fiesta. Okay? Naintindihan po?
Opo.
Okay, titingnan natin yung mga, bibigyan kita ng mga activity. Titingnan natin kung naintindihan mo. Okay, ito yung activity number 1 mo. Sabi dyan, isulat ang P kung ang salita ay pangalan. At isusulat naman ang H kung ito ay hindi. So, ano yung number 1?
H.
Basahin mo muna.
Maganda.
O, yung maganda ba ay pangalan o hindi?
Hindi.
Ano ilalagay?
H.
Sunod, number 2.
Sagot.
Ito isulat mo. Oh. Dito muna ulitin mo to. Okay, number 2. Ano yung number 2?
Sagot.
Sagot ba ay pangalan o hindi?
Hindi.
Next. Basahin.
Bulaklak.
Number 4. Basahin.
Malakas.
Number 5. Basahin.
Masipag.
Next. Number 6.
Bahay.
Number 7.
Dalaga.
Number 8.
Umiyak. Kusina. Humahabol.
Dito naman, sa ating activity number 2, sabi dyan, isulat sapat lang kung ang pangalan ay tao, lugar, bagay, o hayop. So, babasahin mo bago sasagutan, okay? O, number 1, basahin.
Bulacan.
Ang Bulacan ba ay tao, lugar, bagay, hayop? Number 2, basahin.
Beth.
O, si Beth ba ay number 3.
Pagong.
Si Pagong ba ay next, number 4. Si Lola ba ay okay, next, number 5. Ano yung number 5?
Baso.
Baso. Ang baso ay ano? Tao, lugar, bagay, o hayop? Number 6, basahin.
Tatay.
Si tatay ay number 7.
Hari.
Ang hari ay number 8.
Lancer.
Si Lancer ay number 9.
Basket.
Ang basket ay next, number 10. Saint Luke's
Hospital.
St. Luke's Hospital. Siya ay ano? Okay, very good. Tatandaan niyang inaaral, ha?
Papa.
Okay. What's that? What's this? Ha? Wow, galing ah. What's this? What's that? Huh? What's this? What's this? Is this? Ice cream. Say ice cream. Uy. What's that? Wow. Galing ah. Ice cream. Galing ah. Galing ah. What color is this? Pink. Say pink. Pink. Ah. Ice cream. Ah, ka. Oh, galing ah.